In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a radar chart in Excel. A radar chart, sometimes called a spider chart, is great for comparing multiple categories across the same scale. Think skills across departments, product features, or survey scores, because it shows patterns at a glance. Before you start, make sure your worksheet already has the data you want to visualize. It helps if each category has a clear label and a numeric value, and if similar items use the same scale so the comparison is fair. Keep everything in a tidy block with headers, and avoid blank rows or columns inside your selection, so Excel reads it cleanly. Begin by selecting the cells that contain your labels and numbers. Click and drag across the entire range you want to chart, including any headers. This tells Excel exactly which categories and series to include, and it saves you from having to edit the data source later. If you have multiple series, like scores for different teams, make sure they sit in adjacent columns so they'll plot together. Next, head to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. This is where all chart tools live. If your window is narrow, some groups may collapse. That's okay. Just expand the Charts group to see more options. Now choose the Radar Chart option. You'll see variations such as a standard radar, one with markers, and a filled radar. Pick the standard radar for a clean, easy-to-read shape. The filled version adds color inside the area for stronger emphasis, and markers can make individual points stand out. Excel will instantly generate the chart using the cells you selected. Once it appears, take a moment to read it. Each spoke represents a category, and your values radiate outward along those spokes. The connected lines form a shape that highlights strengths, weaknesses, and balance. A smooth, rounded shape suggests consistent performance, while spikes and dips reveal standout areas or gaps. If you want to make the chart clearer, you can adjust the title to describe what the chart shows, and choose a chart style that improves contrast. Keep labels short and scales consistent so the shape tells the story without clutter. If the chart feels crowded, consider focusing your selection on the most important categories before you insert the chart. That's all it takes. Select your cells, go to Insert, and choose Radar. With just a few clicks, you get a visual that turns rows of numbers into an immediate, comparable pattern.